how to mention or tag accounts in Buffer. So first, just simply navigate to the channel or account that you want to add or tag someone to. So let's say I want to use my FB or my Facebook. Then we're just going to click on this channel, then go to new post. Then what you want to do now is just simply put the @ character or type the @ character in. Then start typing the first few letters of the Facebook page you'd like to mention. So let's say I want to mention this page. So as you can see, as I'm typing the first few letters, there are suggestions that are just basically coming right up. But let's say I want to tag this page or mention this page, I'm going to click on that particular page. And as you can see, it has been mentioned just like that. Now for Instagram and Twitter mentions, due to API limitations, Buffer cannot autocomplete mentions on these accounts. That said, you can still include mentions in your post, but you would need to type in the exact handle you'd like to include. So make sure that you know and memorize the exact handle that you want to mention. And once the post is published to that particular account, whether Instagram or Twitter or X, the account you mentioned will be hyperlinked. And for LinkedIn, to mention a LinkedIn page, you just simply need to copy and paste the LinkedIn URL for that page into the composer. So as you can see, when I @ character, it says here, mention a connection or paste a LinkedIn page URL. And that is how I basically mention or tag accounts in Buffer.